My name is François Junot. I'm born in Sainte-Croix. The definition of my job is automatier, automaton maker. When I'm at school in Sainte-Croix, I was with a friend and his father, Michel Bertrand. He's a restore old automaton from Paris. When I'm 14, I met Michel Bertrand on his workshop, and when I'm 20 years old, I remember how it's a beautiful job. And after mechanical school in Sainte-Croix, art school in Lausanne, I began my job in automatier. My grandfather working in a phonograph company, and my other grandfather, he made the gears for musical boxes and needles for pickup. And my father changed completely, and me, I returned to my grandfather. The time we are living now, a lot of people like my job. I don't know why. Maybe because a lot of people thought my job is disappear. The birds is very different. So it's a passion to. I love the poetry around automaton, the expression, a message. I don't know exactly what kind of message, but universal message. When I'm showing an automaton in China or in Japan, or in Europe, in USA, it's universal language. It's a little bit expensive, but it's normal. We spend a lot of time to do one automaton, to do one writing automaton like Leonardo da Vinci. It took 17 months to do one piece. And it's a lot of work, a lot of pieces, a lot of finishing, and it's gold plated after polishing, to protect for the rust, and it's very complicated.